Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of class 10th CBSE pattern arithmetic progression. Some important questions guys. For what values of k will k plus 9, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 7 are the three consecutive terms of an AP? Okay. Here in the given AP, it is a finite series guys. In the given AP, the AP contains only three terms. It is not a infinite series, it is a finite series. Contains only three terms. They are asking to find the value of k and also what are the three consecutive terms. First write down what is given in the question. K plus 9, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 7 are the three consecutive terms of an AP, right? So write down A1 equal to k plus 9, A2 equal to 2k plus 1, A3 equal to 2k plus 3. We need to find the k value and find the common difference also. Here in the common difference, see whenever we are talking about the finite series, we need to take the common difference for all the terms. Here d equal to a2 minus a1 and also a3 minus a2. How many terms they gave? Those many terms common difference we need to find. Okay, substitute all the values in this and simplify. a2 minus a1 equal to a3 minus a2. Substitute all the values and we get k equal to 18 guys. After getting k equal to 18, substitute that k value in the given three terms. Substitute k equal to 18 in the given three terms. That is k plus 9, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 7. After substituting, we will get 27, 35 and 43. The difference is 8 guys. Okay, the three consecutive terms are 27, 35 and 43. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.